I've adapted the space for neurodivergent learners by considering how they would feel when they enter the room. I also like to give people many options for how they want to use the space. So, of course, I play music with everybody, and there's a certain amount of concentration involved in that, but it can be accessed in different ways. So, there's many different areas that in my room that a student could take up. There's also different things they could be doing, whether it be with manipulatives or having options for making art in the back if they just want to access the music by listening instead of participating. Also, many different colors. You know, I love the Progress Pride flag so that people of different orientations understand that this is like a welcoming space. Um, Different techniques for like breathing. I like to have visuals around on the walls for people to remember to take a deep breath sometimes. And of course, birds. I love birds. So I have lots of different positive messaging that is very easily seen on the walls, different statements about like body positivity, how to handle anxiety, just positive messaging about affirming whatever someone might be experiencing. And yeah, there's just different options so people don't feel forced to be one way. You know, I want them to feel like it's their space and that I'm just here with them along for the ride.